Want to make money with print on demand? Here's how to start. Step 1. Choose your niche. Focus on a specific audience like pet lovers, gamers, or fitness enthusiasts. The more specific, the better. Step 2. Create designs. You don't need to be a pro. Use tools like Canva or hire a designer to make t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases that people will want to buy. Step 3. Pick a print-on-demand platform. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble handle printing, shipping, and fulfillment for you. Step 4. Set up your store. You can sell on Etsy, Shopify, or even Amazon. Make sure your store looks professional and easy to navigate. Step 5. Promote your products. Use social media, ads, or influencer collaborations to reach your audience and get sales. With print on demand, you don't hold inventory and you can start with little upfront cost. Start creating, start selling, and scale over time.